If you listen to capitalists or early Western biologists who were influenced by Charles Darwin, you'll always get this one take of nature that is this horrible place where animals are fighting for dominance and survival, and they're here to pass on their selfish genes, and that's all nature is. This is an extremely narrow philosophy that gave rise for the justifications for the transatlantic slave trade and also for Adam Smith's free market theories, which created an economic system based on selfish competition, when we all know right now that there's no such thing as a free market. We're just being exploited by the 1%. And the reason thinking like this will always lead to mass inequalities and destruction of the planet and ourselves to the point of extinction is because it's an incomplete view of nature. There are countless examples of individual plants and animals working in cooperation when at face value it may look like they're not working towards self-preservation and actually working towards helping their species, helping their community, their family, and the environment. For example, vampire bats regurgitate their own blood to feed other bats. Ground squirrels and velvet monkeys actually cry out and signal towards their pairs when a predator is nearby, even though that causes them to get the attention, which often leads to them being eaten. And in large forests and ecosystems, the older, bigger trees actually give nutrients to the younger tree. And once the older tree is sick, the younger trees actually come together, reverse that process, and give the nutrients back to the older tree. And I can literally go on with examples all day long. The fact of the matter is that nature is also extremely cooperative. And thinking it's just dominant species taking over weaker species is picking and choosing the parts of nature you want to support to justify greed, selfishness, and crimes against humanity.